Hello everyone, I'm John, and last week I had a chance to have a workshop with all the Mandarin teachers in our 5 schools. And based on the 4 principles of andragogy that I learned, I designed Microsoft Form to find out teachers' needs. Because adults, they need to be involved in the learning process and they need to experience and what they want to learn should be relevant to their lives, and it should be problem focused, problem centered. So based on these 4 principles, I designed this survey to find out what do teachers need. And from this form, I found out that teachers right now, for them, the first priority is how to make their online lessons interactive and how to assess their students effectively. And they also want to know how is the other schools' situation, how do other teachers use their resources, and what kind of resources do other teachers use in other schools or other campuses. So based on the feedback, I made a series of videos in case I have limited time. So for every key software or key knowledges, I made a video and put them in Padlet, so that if teachers they don't have time to experience everything, or in case they forget, they can always come back to find out the tutorials right here in this Padlet. And I also let teachers to make a 1-minute introduction before the workshop, so that before the workshop, all the teachers are already know other teachers a little bit. So I want to make full use of the time that we actually meet. That's the PD PowerPoint, and I quite like the Pear Deck, so I use the Pear Deck. I think it's a great way to collect informations and for interactions. And I want to give teachers opportunities to share their ideas and to find out their answers. Because the workshop is in Mandarin, so I'll just explain to you basically what happened. If you want to go through the recording video, feel free to do so. It's around 50 minutes, but you can skip just to have a quick review if you want to. That's the goal of this workshop. I want to share with other teachers the backward design, which is one of the great tools, great method I learned from Dort courses. So I want to share with other teachers. And first, I want teachers to figure out which one is true, which one is false, so that they will know a little bit about the teachers. And that's the result I got. It's fun. At the beginning, teachers start to guess. And this is the agreement for this workshop. And I want teachers to participate and share their real thoughts and learn to accept different opinions. And these are some results I shared with, I got from the survey I shared with the teachers, so that they will have or a basic understanding about other schools and curriculums and some problems that other teachers encountered. So from this, all the teachers, they will know the result of the survey. And about the curriculum is also a very big part that teachers want to know, because even though we have 5 campuses, but the teachers don't know other campuses well. So I think it's a great chance for teachers to talk about it from the response, and teachers can see the situations from other campuses. And these are also a lot of interactions for teachers to know about each other, about the curriculum. And this is the backward design that I introduced, the main course. So for the backward design, first I did a survey, how much do they know about backward design? It turns out that most of them, they don't know much about backward design. So I think it's a good start. And then I introduced what it is, and I explained what it is using some examples. And most importantly, I showed them how to apply it into Mandarin teaching. So I showed them my students' example and what does backward design look like in real teaching. These are some samples I collected from my students. After that, I showed them my unit design. How do I design one unit? And also, how do I prepare the summative assessment before the start of one unit? And not just that, because adults need to experience. So right after I shared, I let teachers to go to the workshop Padlet to let them to use Pear Deck or Seesaw to let them to explore. And I provide help if they need. After you experience and after you try it, after my explanation, now how much do you know about backward design? And these are some results that I got from teachers. So that's it. I hope my explanation helps you. I'm quite satisfied with this workshop. Teachers have a lot of interactions and they learn something new, learn something what they need. And we also know more about each campus's situation. Most of them, they said they want to try this backward design. And they are also going to use the tools that I shared with them. The Seesaw and the Pear Deck is for the morning session, and Padlet and questionnaire and Quizlet are for the afternoon session. And by the end of this session, I shared all the resources with the teachers. That's all. I hope this explains. Thank you very much.